Hola tribe. So I've been noticing lately a lot of people who are really disconnected from their breathing. And I have done years. I mean, we're going on almost 20 years of body work and healing. And I don't call myself a healer. I do healing work. I assist others in healing themselves. I apologize, excuse my neighbor's dog. He's chiming in. So, what I've noticed over and over again is, and in all of my years, how many people would call me up and say, heal me, fix me, take care of me. And what I want to say to that is, no. Can I? Of course I can help you. I'm assisting people doing the work. However, you want a quick fix. A little bit of table time is usually a quick fix. But just receiving some hands-on therapy isn't enough. The body doesn't integrate it properly. I have received thousands of hours of hands-on therapy, and no one session fixed me. I still had to take all of that work and integrate it and re-educate my body and mind. My mind had to send the messages repeatedly to the body in order to achieve its goals. Now, you could go and take some drugs, right? You can go and drink some alcohol. You can go and avoid the pain, but it's still there. It's still there. The majority of the drugs that you're going to take don't ever actually heal you. They just mask what's going on and oftentimes create another issue, right? They don't often actually fix anything. What I love about the medical facilities, let's start with that, is that you can go and get testing, right? You can go and get some results and find out what your levels are at, whatever levels those may be. What functioning, how is the liver functioning? How are the kidneys functioning? What are your sugar levels? All of that within modern medicine is absolutely amazing. If and when a surgery is actually required, which isn't as often as most people have their surgeries, they're just taught that that's what it is. If you go to a surgeon, he's only going to pretty much, well, I can't say only, but majority of the time they're only going to offer you surgery because that's what they're trained to do. You're paying a surgeon to talk to you about surgery, right? Somebody in my field, we want you to actually cure the issue. And so can I fix you? No, but I can help you fix yourself. And I love that. As I have told people for years, my job is to assist you, empower you, and making the changes that you need so you don't need me. Amazing, right? To actually not need the assistance of someone else in order to correct the injuries or correct the issues. So, the reason I'm saying this is I've been working with these people as of late, and it's amazing. Absolutely amazing levels of body consciousness that I've been working with people, that they're learning and educating and things they never knew before, right? The power of our breathing alone. It is so powerful. Your breath can change everything and the way in which you direct your breath. The majority of people have what is called a reverse breath. When they inhale, they're literally closing their diaphragm down, they're lifting their chest up, and then they're sucking their diaphragm in. I used to have that reverse breath. That was my breathing pattern for the majority of my years, until I started studying breath work and witnessing people's patternings in their body. All right, and then you have to do some extreme things in order to correct the actual breath pattern and then re-educate the body of how to do a healthy breath pattern. So, can you reshape and redesign your breathing patterns? Absolutely. Can you heal your body with utilizing the breath properly and activating through your bones and muscles properly? Absolutely. I have had drop foot for almost 20 years of my life What is that? It is when your toes do not lift, when your foot does not function properly. For years I would walk and my foot would drag because I couldn't get the toes to lift. I couldn't get the arches to flex. Excuse me, not the arches, the arch of one foot to not flex. And in the last couple of years alone, just the last couple of years, I have activated that foot. I lift toes, and I was capable of jumping a 20-inch box. A 20-inch box. Years ago, 1 inch with that foot, and I would have face planted it. Boom, face planted it. 1 inch, I couldn't even jump with that foot. However, utilizing corrective therapy and breath, and consistently working with what appeared to be a limitation has gained me access to nerve function, to muscle function, to realigning and structurizing my body. Can you make change naturally without surgery? Yes. In fact, I encourage you to, because most surgeons are just going to cut your nerves. They're going to throw away your connective tissue. All those things that are important pieces to function, to have a healthy functionality within your body. So, if you actually want to make change, if you actually want to be empowered, if you actually want to take control of your body and your life, work with somebody that empowers you. Work with somebody that actually knows how to do that. Not someone who knows how to fix you. Momentary fix. I was working with a client earlier today, witnessing the change in this man's body. He came to me like a hunchback, standing taller, the range of motion dramatically changing, going from utilizing 2 walking staffs to 1 walking staff. Amazing, amazing changes in I think 6 weeks. 6 1-hour sessions with me. And he has made profound changes. Profound. Choose empowerment and self-care and change. I would love to help you. I can work with you at a distance. I can work with you face to face. So many different options. Let me help you gain the power back. The website is greentreegoddess.com, and I will list all the other information below. Check it out. I only want people who want to change, who are willing to take the power back. If you don't want to do the work, don't contact me. I don't want to work with you. If all you're looking for is a quick fix and someone to heal you, don't contact me. I want those that actually want to be empowered and want to change. Oh, and in fact, if you want to add to your regimen and deepen into your practices, so if you're a yoga teacher or an educator of even physical therapy. However, if you're an educator or a personal trainer or working within the industry of fitness at all, I'll teach you how the body actually functions and stacks properly and how the breath will activate even deeper and further for your clients. Right? If you're frustrated dealing with clients that are just not getting the activation where they need to be activated, and it doesn't matter how often you tell them to move something specifically, it's just not working, I can teach you how to get more out of your clients. So, almost 20 years of hands-on therapy, and people made changes. I mean, astonishing changes. Some people were so empowered, they just didn't need me anymore. That is thrilling. Thrilling. And others never put the effort forward. Just wanted to be fixed. I want those who want to live and bring more joy into their lives. If you want that, give me a call. Peace out, yo.